Hello everyone. I hope all of you are staying home and staying safe and doing well. So today my talk on COVID Hackathon organized by Anand Pharmacy College Anand under the sponsorship of SIP Government of Gujarat along with IIC and MHRD. Myself Yash Rana practicing 4th SEM of B.Pharm in Anand Pharmacy College Anand along with my team members Pranay Patel, Vikas Shah, Vidhi Waghela and Nadim Vora under the mentorship of Nikita Udvani. We are here with this video to present our innovative idea on the theme Innovation in Transport System. So the title of our proposed idea is the Ray of Light, Hack for India, Fight for Our Future, and our team ID is C008. So here's the details of all the team members along with the mentor. These are the topics that are going to be covered in this video, followed by abstract, trendy problems, demerits of existing technology, our approach towards the existing problems, rationale and uniqueness of our project, methodology, novelty, budget, reference links, and survey. Now here is the survey that we took of the local citizens by sharing our innovative idea. So here is the abstract. Our country is affected by COVID-19 pandemic. For the prevention of disease, we follow social distancing and maintain hygiene. But are we really obeying the social distancing and hygiene? The answer is no. We don't follow social distancing properly. In current scenario, we generally buy vegetables from the vendors, not only the person, but many people buy vegetables from the vendors or from the vegetable market. We don't know the person who is selling and the people who are touching the vegetables are affected by COVID-19 or not. Or some people may sneeze around the vegetables or fruits. This may contaminate the vegetables and the fruits. People who frequently touch the vegetables may transmit the virus to vegetables by their unhygienic hands, and ultimately virus transmit from one person to another even after following the social distancing. So for breaking of this chain, we came with the solution by spreading awareness regarding to how to buy vegetables without spreading the infection of coronavirus, and it is also make its huge market in future. This technique is also helpful for development of Indian people and development of country. So we had designed to prepare a non-contagion cart that satisfies the rule that the vegetable vendor is not supposed to touch the vegetables, and these vegetables will be weighed accurately and will be provided to the buyer. And in this way, we are trying to break the chain of spreading of the coronavirus infection.
The trendy problem is the cases of corona are increasing day by day, even after following social distancing and maintaining hygiene. Have you ever thought why this is happening? One of the major reasons behind this is to come in contact with vegetables and fruits which are contaminated by this virus. Fruits and vegetables are necessary things. They provide immunity, minerals and vitamins to our body. Contamination of this substance lead to major health issue. Generally, we people buy the vegetables and fruits from the vendors or from vegetable market where there is no protection for these substances. Dirt, microbes and many people touch the vegetables. Many of them are smell and put it back. This lead to spread the virus and increase the chance of contamination. So our project is to overcome these demerits of existing technology, and our project is based on hygiene with protection to the vegetable seller, his family, to community and eventually farmer who are pride of our nation. Let's talk about the solution. The solution that we have designed is non-contagion cart. This is just a simple cart which is work on two mechanisms. First is a pulley mechanism and second is Newton's second law of motion. Due to pulley mechanism, the work and the effort of seller will be reduced. We have used cheapest and simple things to make a pulley. 3 rods are attached with help of iron rollers. From these 3 rods, 2 rods make an angle, due to which the wooden block make a slant, and through this slant the vegetable comes down from the hole to the basket. The cart is made up of fiber chamber, pulley, and it also contains a wooden block inside the fiber chamber. The fiber chamber is made up of polycarbonate, which is having a hole at the bottom of one side. So when a customer comes, the seller will pull the lever of the cart, and due to this the slant is formed, and due to this slant eventually the vegetables will come down to the basket through the hole, and seller can weigh these vegetables and give to the customer like this. Here we have proposed a prototype design. We can add 5 more chambers like this. Total 6 chambers. From this 6, one chamber is separated for weighing balance and for money collector. This cart is preferably for orange and green zone, and this is preferable for vegetables which are round to oval shape like potatoes, onions and tomatoes, etc. So what about large areas and red zone areas like Ahmedabad, Baroda and Surat in Gujarat? The solution for red zone area is Sarvayan, a bus system which must be organized by government, or we can organize this system with the help of government. The Sarvayan will provide the vegetables and fruits from farmer to the community or to the people. The people will come to buy the vegetables and fruits to Sarvayan. The personnel inside the Sarvayan will weigh the vegetables and fruits according to need of customer. Then he will wash thoroughly the vegetables and fruits with the hot water and pack into the bag, and this vegetables and fruits will be provided to the customer through small opening made in the bus. Due to this, the chances of contamination is reduced and spreading of virus is also reduced. Apart from this, another source of contamination is money. There are two methods of payment: online payment method, and second is offline, means cash. If we are going for online payment method, then there is no issue of contamination. But if there is cash, then yes, there is a chance of contamination. To prevent this contamination, we have a solution, that we have fixed a UV light in the money collector that will sterilize the money when we enter the money inside it. So we are preventing the contamination or the chances of spreading of virus through money also. The success of any project is depends on the rationale, novelty and its applicability. The rationale is explained by Nadeem, and the novelty will be explained by Yash Rana. Our project not only concerned with reduce the contamination or spreading, it's also concerned with hygiene. We provide the view that we do not have to touch vegetables and fruits, not smell or not put it back. So we are providing a new version of hygiene or protection to vegetables and fruits. Our rationale, novelty are so strong that applicability is also very good. And if this idea is implemented, the Gujarat can be free from corona within short period of time. And if this implemented in our country will free from coronavirus soon, as we have prevented touching, smelling and also other microbial contamination. So there will be less chances of contamination through this vegetables and fruits. and our needed things will be fulfilled.
There are number of rationality and uniqueness in our project, as there are number of people were visiting the same cart and touching the various vegetables, so the spread of infection may increases. So by implementing our idea, the spreading of infection can be reduced. It is economical too. It increases the overall efficiency of vegetable seller. It will be beneficial to both seller and customer. The citizen will not come in contact with the vegetable, so the chain of infection will terminate. It may have broad spectrum of application. Over large cities, we can also implement the cashless payment system so that the spread of infection through money can also be reduced. We can also implement the online delivery system in future. The working mechanism is also simple, and so on. Now methodology, we have designed our idea into two different parts, for the large area and for the small area. For the large area, we must have to implement or to install one of the application into our mobile phone, through which one can be able to know on which date the vegetable cart will arrive. After arriving, the announcement will be made over the speaker by the bus, so that the people will come to buy the vegetables and fruits. After selecting the vegetables, the vendor will wash the vegetables and fruits with the help of warm water in the basin, which is facilitated itself into the bus. The money is transferred by the scanning code or the other online cashless payment system, through which the chances of contamination or the spreading of infection can also be reduced. For the small areas, as we all know, there are a number of carts were arriving in our streets, and the number of people were arriving the same cart and touching the vegetables, which is one of the risky factor for increasing the spread of infection. So we have designed a newer cart which is having a two side fixed and one side open with the appropriate diameter of hole through which the vegetables or the fruits may come out, which is based on pulley mechanism, and the money will transform by the scanning code or the other methods, through which also the contamination may reduce.
Now, here is the novelty of our innovative project. First, customer have a better choice. Second, in future, it is also available for hotel vegetable services. Third, it brings in more revenue to the restaurants. Fourth, in future, less chances of spreading of any viral or bacterial infection, and it will achieve more success in future. Fifth, vegetable market will make progress in delivery of vegetable via door-to-door delivery. And sixth, better interaction and use of application for the payment. Now, here is the budget of our non-contiguous card. First, material cost. This is for the smaller area and this is for the larger area. Now here all the materials that are used for manufacturing of non-contiguous card are mentioned along with their respective pricing. Now we request the government to provide our non-contiguous card to the vegetable vendors at a quite affordable price under the various Sahay Yojanas and other policies too. Followed by material cost, here is the installation cost, followed by it renovation cost, and the final price of the non-contiguous card found to be 11,377 International Rupee. These are the reference links that are required to be checked.
I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Now I want to thank to all my team members who have constantly supported me for this cart, for this non-contagious cart. I hope this must implement in a short period of time. Thank you.